sticky wax. I'm just trying to loosen it from the canal wall. That loud squeal is just a bit of skin. With sticky wax, it tends to block the tube, so I might come in and out your ear a few times.
Okay.
Are you feeling alright? Oh wow, that is a huge piece. Oh wow, incredible. So definitely needed to be removed. Oh. Lovely and clear now. A textbook looking eardrum. I'm really pleased with that. How are you feeling?
Oh, very good.
Fantastic.
Amazing. So much.
It's a long piece there. I wasn't expecting that when I first looked in your ear. I knew there was a lot of wax, but not a huge piece like
Is
that.
that normal, or is that really
probably
usually large accumulation?
I think it's a bit. I think typically when we remove wax, it comes out in segments, like these little bits here. But in this case, it all came out in one go. So yeah, it's probably not the longest piece of wax I removed, but it's up there. But yeah, it needed to be removed. Certainly, you should feel a lot lighter as well than that. Yeah. Taking a few pounds off there. So what we'll do. This one looks more impacted. Gonna just loosen it from the canal wall. You put some olive oil in there just to soften it. It's vacuuming, but it's slow, painful process because it's very sticky. Wow. Stops right on your eardrum. Quite noisy now. Insane. How are you feeling?
Very good, then.
Yeah, look at that. It's a huge lump of wax there. But now we've got it all out. So that's from your right ear.
And the colour is normal, so it looks very dark.
It's dark as it means it's been there for a while. It's oxidised. Wax is normally a paler brown colour, and the longer it's been in your ear, it oxidises and becomes darker and almost black. It's a bit like an apple or an avocado as soon as you peel the skin and it's exposed to air. So yeah, in fact, scientists can tell a lot about whales and dolphins by examining their earwax. They can tell the diet, how long it's lived for, where about in the ocean it's travelled. It's just amazing. So yeah, it holds a lot of information, earwax.
So this has built up over many, many years?
I would say so, definitely. So my advice would be to use some ear olive oil drops regularly, once a month.
Okay.
Maybe twice a month if you wish. Just the way we used it. So you tilt your head to the side for about 5 minutes, let it really trickle down deep into the ear, and then come back the other way with a tissue underneath your ear to like, collect all that's running out. That will lubricate the ear. Wax generally comes out by itself. Mm-hmm. Your wax is quite sticky, so I'm assuming as it's trying to migrate naturally, it's like a conveyor belt, your ear. And as it's trying to come out, as it's sticky, it's sticking to the canal wall, so it's preventing it from coming out. Then you've got wax building up behind it, it's just gathering and gathering. So the olive oil is a bit like a ring on your finger. A bit of olive oil will provide some lubrication and help it come out. Yeah, brilliant. You should be hearing really, really well now. I wouldn't put any drops